Alright, hello everybody. We're doing example 2 now from section 7.4. We are tasked with estimating the square root of 71 for a to the nearest integer, and for b, we would do it to the nearest tenth. So, to start this off, what we would need to do is draw a table. You don't even need to draw a table. You can if you want to. You write out your perfect squares, and then you write out your perfect squares that are near 71. So, I'll show you our table. So make a table of numbers whose squares are close to 71. There's the table. So 7 squared is 49, 8 squared is 64, 9 squared is 81. 71 is somewhere in between 8 and 9. And then we just have to figure out which one is closer. Is 8 or is 9 closer to 71? Is 8 squared or is 9 squared closer? And I believe that 8 squared is closer because it's 7 away. 9 squared is 81. That is 10 away from 71. So 8 squared is closer, which means that the nearest integer to the square root of 71 is 8. All you have to do is look at it on a number line. Look at it this way. It's closer to the square root of 64, which is 8. So the square root of 71 is closer to 8, is about equal to 8. Um, For b, we need to make a table of numbers between 8 and 9 whose squares are close to 71. So it's the same kind of process, but with decimals. So I kind of went up by tenths. That's what this table does too. It goes up by tenths. It starts at 8.3, which is 68.89. Go up by tenths from 8.3 to 8.6. The closest one we come out to get, it's got to be somewhere in between 8.4 and 8.5. 8.4 is much closer to 71. It's less than half away, whereas 8.5 is over 1 away from 71. So our answer is because 71 is closer to 70.56, then 8.4 is our answer because it's closer to 8 point square root of 71 is closer to 8.4 on a number line. You can draw out a number line too if you want to do that to help you visualize this. And that is our answer. So if you feel comfortable with this, move on to the on your owns.